The SHIB burn rate on Shibburn, a platform tracking SHIB burn transactions, has witnessed a significant surge, shifting from roughly 40 to 65.30 WE. This rise resulted from the transfer of 66,760,288 SHIB tokens to unspendable blockchain addresses, permanently removing them from circulation. Two substantial SHIB burns totaling 14,447,005 SHIB and 10,487,173 SHIB occurred within a 2-hour span, marking the largest burn transactions in Shiba Inu's history. Additionally, Lucien, official marketing expert from the SHIB community, provided valuable tips for starting projects on Shibarium, the Layer 2 blockchain. Key recommendations include creating a compelling white paper, fostering a strong community, effective social media presence, and holding the essential tokens SHIB, Bone, and Leash, with a particular emphasis on Bone, as it serves as the gas token for Shibarium, fueling all transactions on the platform. Join our channel for the latest updates, news, and insights on cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. Click the subscribe button now to stay informed and engaged with our crypto community.